Good afternoon. It is October the 11th, 2016. Time to wrap up our trading today. We came in today liking the short side of the market, and the market just quickly moved. You had a shot on the 10-minute chart where you were short at 58.50. There wasn't a signal down here. The min green line, it shows right now we could have executed. I probably forgot. I got confused with the bond. I didn't show that we could execute at the mean green line, but obviously one of us is wrong. This S right here did produce a small winner. This S, you did not stop out. You stayed with it. It could have produced a winner all the way down here. Then we enter chop, come back up. Then we get a break to new lows. So these two S's and that S all produce winners. So the trade was from the short side today. We did a lot of damage when we took out that 29 to 31 area. So right now, that 30 area plus or minus a couple of ticks points will be where resistance is. And when we look at the F1 screen, it's going to show lower. Don't have any news tomorrow, jolts. For those of you that want to play for 25 points lower, if we break this low tomorrow, you can buy the 2100 puts. And that would be a trade that would set up pretty nicely. We're also going to see a B, pretty pronounced B on the F2 screen. So the issue is, will the selling continue? So the first sell is going to be 29 to 31. And then the second sell is going to be 34 to 36. And it's just going to be short covering that takes us up there or not. Probably the cleanest break in the market is right here in this 38.40 area. So chart wise, selling 37.50, 37 and a quarter. Day 37s to 39s. That would be a pretty good structural sale right now if we can get it there. On the buy side, 20 to 22. Bust that area. I'm going to guess we're going to go down to 21.10. Jolts is the only news we have tomorrow's schedule, so not much in the way of news. Okay, tomorrow is the 3 and the 10-year auction. I don't see how treasuries can sell. They might take it down a little bit off into the news, but we had a pretty good day to the upside, which is what we anticipated it. We thought that we liked the buy side because of it is auction week, and it's just really difficult to move the paper if you have got a selling market. So I'm going to rearrange. We're going to do a J split right here to catch that move out of the middle. I think that properly, accurately reflects what went on in the market. Interesting distributions right here. We have a double distribution, so we've got a seller at the buck. We're at 28. For London players, 31 to 03, I'd take that trade. Let them move it back down to set up the auction tomorrow, 7 to 11. And that's predicated on the idea that the bottom doesn't fall out of the E-mini. On the buy side, we're at 27. The last rotate was 22, so this 20 to 24 area, buy 1. 13 to 17 by 2. Our spread really didn't do very much today. It was actually pretty quiet, all things considered. We'd expected more action to the upside, but we didn't get it. So last rotate up stopped at the 14 area. L stopped at 13. M stopped at 12. So 12 to 16 is 1. 19 to 23, sell 1. 31 to 03, sell 2. We're there. So 64 even, 64.04, number 1. 25.29 by 1. And 13 to 17 by 2. Looking at gold, pretty quiet day. I think we had a $6 range for the day session. Not a lot going on today. Lower high, lower low, find a place to sell it. It certainly is taking on that look. And we'll make the distribution this way. So pretty good resistance at 65, and we have had buying below 55. So 1250 is support, 1245, 1250, and then 60 to 65 is resistance right now. And this says, that screen says sell it. Definitely be on this screen. So 59, 61, sell 1. 64, 66, sell 2. On the buy side, I think we're going to try to trade it a little bit lower. So we'll put out 50, 52, buy 1. 45, 47, buy 2. 45, 47 worked out well for us the other day. Maybe it will tonight. Okay, crude's pretty interesting. I don't think it's over in crude, but we did have some pretty good selling today, and everything will point to sell into that rally. And structurally, that 80 area to the buck would be where the sell would come. Inside day, that implies trading range. We're at 75, 79 right now. We get above that, then I think we're back up to 51.50. On crude, definitely a B. It was there all day long. So we got this break here at 85, where we extend the range down 85 to 90. Then we got the highs, so we'll make it 50.90 to 51.20, sell 1. 51.50 to 75, sell 2. On the buy side, quarter to half, buy 1. Then 49.75, 50, buy 2. I think the inventory reports all come next on Thursday, and so the APIs will be out to tomorrow night. I think 4 o'clock Eastern. Okay, the euro is moving lower, usually not without much help from the news. So there might be something going on there that we're not aware of officially in the news yet, other than the fact that the banking problems continue to multiply. ING, Commerce Bank, and Deutsche Bank get the headlines right now, and an Italian bank, their third largest bank, and I can't remember the name of it. So we have 4 banks that regularly are making the news right now. So euro looks like it's a sell. Boy, it is a sell off of F1. And off the F2, it's definitely a B. So we've got this pretty clean break at 111 even. We're at 86. So selling 95 to 1105, sell 1. 20 to 30, sell 2. On the buy side, first buy is 1075, buy 1. 1050, buy 2. And that's it for this October the 11th, 2016. Gonna wrap things up, make a couple of videos, and we're supposed to make 80 degrees today. It's supposed to be in the low 60s tomorrow, so it'll be a really, really nice afternoon. Y'all enjoy yourself, and I'll see you bright and early in the morning.